Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Yulia and today we're gonna learn about eyelashes. This video, guys, is highly requested video by a lot of people. We're gonna learn how to clean your eyelashes and how to take care of your skin and eyelashes while you have extensions. Before we get to the video, I would like to thank our loyal subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for commenting. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell button so that you know when we're posting. However, we are posting every Tuesday and every Friday at 12 p.m. Central Time, Chicago. Tune in. Alright, let's get to the video, guys. As you can see, I am all glammed up and I have eyelash extensions on. These are CEO status line 4Ds from Pebble Prom. And I'm gonna show you guys how I remove the makeup and how I take care of my skin while I still have eyelash extensions on, and how to take care of your eyelashes as well, so that you guys understand that you don't have to skip on your skincare if you have extensions on. However, you also want your extensions last. Okay, we don't want them to fall out right away. We don't want to make those rookie mistakes with makeup remover or with makeup. By the way, guys, if you want to learn how to do your makeup requirements for those that wear eyelash extensions, check out this video right here. Okay, go check it out. Anyway, guys, so today we're gonna learn everything about cleaning your face from makeup, from anything that is on your face, lotions, debris, sunscreens, anything, and take care of your eyelash extensions so that they last longer. Okay, guys, so I want to make sure that you understand you can and you should clean your lashes. Okay, we have some customers that literally ask us if they can even wet them. Now, there's certain misconception going on. We do tell our customers, don't get your eyelashes wet in the window of 24 to 48 hours. That's it. After that, you're okay. I'm just not gonna get them wet at all. That's it. Yeah. Showers? No, guys, you do need to clean your eyelashes daily and you do need to take care of them. As you can see, I have makeup on. Now, I want to clarify before we get to the cleaning. All of the makeup on my face is water-based, not waterproof, except my lips. Before I start applying any makeup remover, anything, I like to go with clean thing. I like to go with makeup wipes. Anyway, guys, so right here I'm using a Cerave. I believe that's pronounce it right. You can get it anywhere: Target, Walmart, CVS Pharmacy. I like this brand a lot. Okay, guys, first and foremost, you want to make sure that the wipes are not oil-based. I'm going to take out one of the wipes. I honestly don't want to remove this makeup right now because I feel like it looks so pretty. Alright, guys, I started to remove my makeup, but you know what I forgot? Domestic princess outfit. That's what it is. There you go. So let's remove the makeup. I honestly not even going to touch the lips because it's not gonna work. So I'm just going to go around. And I also had some makeup on my neck. You know, I was contouring it, and also on my chest. Girl tried to get that makeup on point. Now, guys, I do have eyeshadow, as you can see, but I do not have eyeliner. You can use eyeliner. I did mention that in the video. Makeup for eyelash extensions, check it out. But I don't have eyeliner right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to pick up, rub around my finger, and just kind of go over my eyelid, gently removing any eyeshadow. And also I do have some brow pencil on my eyebrows and some brow gel as well, but they are water-based, so we are good. Gosh, I love my makeup right now. Why am I removing it? It's not even late. I also have mascara on my bottom lashes. Obviously the wipes are not gonna remove that, but we just want to make sure that we can remove anything there is with the wipes. The wipes is kind of just the first step to remove anything that can be wiped out of your face. So once you've finished with the wipes, just don't rub your face too much. To be honest, you don't need to be super clean with the wipes. It's just not gonna happen. I honestly have no idea when some people literally clean their face from makeup just with the wipes. I don't know what's going on with those people, but that's just wrong. Okay, that's just wrong for your skin. It's not okay. All right, just gonna Done. So the next thing I'm actually going to use cleansing oil. Not on the eyelash extensions though. I have Josie Moran. This is argan cleansing oil. I'm going to put some on my hand and I'm pretty much going to rub it in my hand. So make sure you don't put that oil on your eyelashes or you're gonna have to say goodbye to your eyelash extensions in less than a week, okay? So you want to kind of massage it around and after that we're going to wash it off with water and after that we're going to wash off with cleanser. Alright guys, so now we are going to wash off the oil from my face and then apply the cleanser. Please don't mind the bathroom. We are actually in a warehouse fulfillment facility. This is not home. Let's wash the oil off first. And now I'm going to use the cleanser for my face. Ole Hendrickson. I have heard about 60-second rule where you have to massage your cleanser for 60 seconds on your skin. That way it actually acts better and breaks down all the makeup and brings it to the surface. We still have to clean the eyelashes and also under eyes. I have a little bit of mascara left even though I did wash it off with the water and some cleanser, but we're going to clean our eyelash extensions right now. And for that, we are going to be using foaming cleanser. I'm using Aveeno. Honestly, you can use any foaming cleanser. It doesn't matter. They're all pretty light and they all will work on your eyelash extensions. You don't need anything special because all the foaming cleansers, guys, are water-based. I will put a little bit of foam on my hand and then I'm going to pick up the brush that your lash technician should be giving you when you finish with your appointment, and I'm going to dip it in the brush and I'm going to brush through my eyelash extensions. Usually you want to make sure that the foaming cleansers are very gentle and the best for sensitive skin. You can use this kind of brush or you can also use a different kind of brush, kind of like a brush for makeup. Once you finish brushing, you can actually wash off the eye. Alright guys, I finished washing my eyelashes. I'm sorry we had to cut the video because our battery just died in the bathroom. Anyway, I finished cleaning my eyelashes. So guys, when your eyelashes are completely dry, mine honestly took about 10 to 15 minutes to get completely dry because I have 4Ds CEO status, that's what we call them. Now when they're completely dry, you can actually brush them through and make them all fluffy and nice. You can also brush them up like that. Another thing, there's a big misconception where people think that since they have eyelash extensions and we recommend not to use any oils around your eyes, they don't use any moisturizers, any skincare on their skin. No girl, you need to take care of your skin no matter what, and I'm gonna teach you how to take care of your skin. I'm gonna show you my skincare routine for today. So basically today I am going to use a mask, a facial mask, and this one is a new one. I have not used it before. It's called Fat Glow Facial. So basically what we're gonna do is apply just like you would apply on any mask on your face, and this one I did read the instructions. It says that I have to massage it until it becomes white because it does have a pink color. Oh my goodness, like everything's matching, pink. The instructions say that I have to wait for 15 minutes, so we're gonna just chill. Alright guys, I just washed off my mask, 15 minutes passed. So the next thing I'm going to apply is Cerave Vitamin C Serum. I am going to dab it on my face. Your girl is almost 33 years old. You know, I have to take care of the skin. Okay, so after I applied the serum, we are going to move to eye cream. Yes guys, if you have eyelash extensions, you are okay to use eye cream. However, be mindful and don't put it all over so that it's stuck in your eyelashes and it's oily and it gets into your eyelashes. Just kind of get a little bit, you know, and dab it under your eyes like that. Just be gentle. Don't be too rough with your eyes. Whether you have extensions or not, just always be gentle because the skin under your eyes is very thin. There's not a lot of fat tissue and it's easy to stretch your skin. Don't put it on your eyelashes. You don't need it there. So since we don't want any eye cream to get onto our eyelashes, for that reason, please apply 20 20 to 30 minutes before you're going to bed. So don't do like apply and just go to bed, because what's gonna happen, you're gonna close your eyes and all of that eye cream is gonna transfer on your eyelashes, okay? 20-30 minutes, it's gonna get absorbed into your skin. It's gonna work the magic in the places where it needs to work the magic and not on your eyelashes, okay? Because we don't need magic there. The magic already happened. The eyelash technician already did all the magic, alright? So I have my serum, I have my under eye cream, and now I'm going to move on to my Rich Hydrating Night Cream. Hey, this one is by Cerave. I hope I'm saying it right. Like I said, I have no idea how to pronounce the brands, but I really like it. And I put all of the face, okay? My neck. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep in here. Alright guys, and the last step I usually do is I apply lip balm or some sort of chapstick on my lips. So today we're going to apply Silk Balm on my lips by Huda Beauty. And you are ready for bed. Anyway guys, I just wanted to make this video to make sure that you understand that it is okay to take care of your skin and keep your skincare routine. Make sure that you don't have any heavy oily lotions. Honestly, they're not even good for you even if you don't have extensions. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you got some tips. If you have eyelash extensions, please let us know in the comment section down below how you take care of your skin and how you take care of your eyelashes. And if these tips were helpful for you, also make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button too, because you know you're gonna know when we upload another video. However, we do upload videos every Tuesday and every Friday at 12 p.m. Chicago Central Time. Tune in.